Hey there guys, it's YACHUBA! And today I want to show you how to get rid of the two frustrating problems on Android system for your device, for your phones. And it concerning the ringtones. Yes, it was pissing me off today, but I finally got it work right. So, let me say a little bit about it. Android 5.0, and I bought recently the Note 4 Samsung. It's like very good phone. I don't want to review it now, but the thing mostly I'm pissed a little bit about it. It's the input lag. It's not laggy, but its responsiveness is, I would say, slower than on iOS. I had iOS 5S. I'm not an Apple boy. I'm not like, I don't see the Apple made perfect phones, not at all, far from it. But still, I can feel the difference if you're concerning input lag. But whatever, I don't want to talk about it now. It's a beautiful phone, 5.7 inch, and the problem was every time you played a ringtone, somebody called you, it wouldn't start from the first note on the highest volume. It would start like this. Let's say this is my ringtone. I should show you. Yeah, so it would start like this, very quiet, like for 3 seconds, and then it would start to play on the maximum volume. So I would want to get rid of this 3 seconds fade in. I want to play it from start like this. Yeah, you see my point. And it's very easy to make it happen. You want to download a very simple tool. It's called Disable Increasing Ring. You just want to type this, Disable Increasing Ring, in Google Play, of course on your mobile device, on your phone. And the thing will pop up, this thing will pop up, this icon, and you want to click this. Of course this is a different language because I'm not English origin, whatever. And it's the guy made a Shumpo app, like this guy. So you want to download this. You gotta print screens, disable, increasing ring, whatever. And the cool thing about this app is if you download this and you open this, you don't ever have to open it again. You don't have to do anything with it. Even if you boot up your system, whatever, it will work. If you have it on your system, it will work with every single phone ring, and it will start right from the volume you want. Awesome. Yeah. So, but the next problem was it wouldn't loop. The ring wouldn't loop. For example, like from here, it wouldn't do the switch. It would wait like for 3 seconds here at the end, and then it would play from the beginning. But as you can hear here, can you hear? It's very fluid here. I made the phone and it's awesome, that fluid. I want to do it, to sound it in my phone, and it's also possible to make it, and I want to show you how. For example, those are my three ringtones I want to have it on my phone. And I have them. They're flags, so like lossless, whatever. So you just point your ringtones you want to get into your phone, and look at this. You're gonna need a dB power amp music converter. Cool thing about it is that it works very well. You can convert the most popular formats, the musical formats. And there is a trial. I haven't used it, but I think it works very decent. Windows R 15.2, the most recent version, it will work perfect. I bought mine, but I didn't update it. I didn't care. So I'm gonna show you. Then if you install this, I won't show you how to install this because it's nonsense. I'm proud you're good to make it by your own. So if you install this DB Power Amp, you want to click Convert to and OGG. The format you want looking for is OGG, and you want to hit this. And I would do it the highest amount because that's the way I am. So it wouldn't take a lot of memory, you will see. And convert. Awesome. Finished. And there's not very little files. Look at this. It's like, yeah, it's like nothing. But next thing you want to do to make it loop. So you select this OGG files and then hit right and edit ID tag. It will also appear if you installed the DB Power Amp Music Converter. So you hit any ringtone you want, you hit edit tag, and the thing you want to add here, it's gonna be artist title and all this but bunch of stuff. The thing you want to do is add. So you add another thing, and you want to write Android loop and set the value true. Android loop, and hit OK. It will change this file in some strange way, whatever. You just want to copy this and then find your phone. Of course, you gotta hook it up into your computer. It's my YACHUBA Galaxy Note 4. Yeah, that's my phone. And there are like this folder ringtones. Makes simple. Ringtones is ringtones. Simple. There are some things here. I know where it came from, but I haven't. And you wanna make it paste. And wait, I don't get it. Yeah, just copy it. Yeah, it asks me if I want to copy it to my computer. Yeah, so I did. That's it. Sometimes it can ask you if you want to convert it to a VMA file. You don't want to do it because it will work very good if you have converted it into OGG. And actually that's it. If you have it on your phone, you select this, it will loop without any distortion, whatever, like this. And again, yeah, like this, exactly the same like this. And I want to show you all the rings. From here maybe. Yeah, those. Fairy plum high, fairy plum ring. Very nice also. And the classical one. It's Tchaikovsky, if you want to know actually. The ballet. Very nice. If you want it, I can actually look at the yeah, smooth. If you're interested in having this, like, write me. It's no problem. I'm no a man who does the problems. I'll be glad to give it to you. I just want to have it the unique sound nobody has. So if you're here in subway or you're going with a tram or whatever, like going with a bus, so you know it's the phone is for you. You won't hear the marimba or whatever on the iPhone like everyone has it. Come on, you want to be unique. So, but if you want to have it also, I find it very good ringtone, and it's no problem. It's no biggie for me. So I hope I helped you with your problems. Please subscribe, whatever, do what the hell you want. Peace. it was YACHUBA. Aye.